Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com and those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
We begin this evening with the news on the ongoing flood rains impacting sections of the country.
The heavy rainfall has once again exposed the vulnerability of communities in St. Mary, where rising waters and crumbling infrastructure are leaving residents frustrated, fearful, and cut off.
From flooded homes in Haywood Hall to worsening conditions at the Richmond police station, cries for help are growing louder.
Sandy Williams reports.
A river in rage, surging beyond its banks, swallowing everything in its path. In Haywood Hall, the relentless rainfall has turned daily life into a dangerous struggle. Inside homes, it's a scene of chaos. Cushions soaked, floors drenched, furniture tossed aside, not by thieves, but by flood waters that residents say return year after year.
Nobody's coming to really look about it. It's just promises years upon years. I'm having these problems. They need to do something about the river. Nobody's doing anything. And that's our big problem here. I can't move at my age to move. Nobody wants this to buy. So I'm stuck here.
For others, the flooding is isolation. With the river overflowing, entire sections of the community are cut off. No taxis, no easy access, just uncertainty.
The community need the bridge. You understand me? Kind of easy. Sometimes we have to go all the way around Whitehall to come back and to come down here. When here so black, no taxi man now come here so far. As you see, so water in High Spirit. Nobody can cross it. Nobody can cross it. So we have to go to the highway out here, who on this side here, and we're on that side here, go Whitehall way. And then get something and go where them going. All right, now my old lady didn't cross here. And he called me this man and tell me to my house. Flood out, you understand me, one side here. And I can't get to reach him.
And it's not just during emergencies. Residents say this is their reality. Students wading through water to get to school. Workers forced to risk their safety just to earn a living.
We have some people who go to high school, of Highgate, where are any school. A morning time, them parents have a walk across river here with them, take off their shoes and carry them to the highway, you know, understand me? With no taxi now, run early, and you know, they must go to school early. You know, a lot of people have got their job, some have got their work, tell me, they must come across the water. Me, myself, sometimes when me over them, I have to take it through the water too. So, we need the bridge.
The bridge, he says, has been damaged for more than a decade. But while residents battle rising waters, just a short distance away in Richmond, another crisis is unfolding inside a building meant to uphold law and order. The Richmond police station now battling its own flood of problems. Buckets to catch rainwater from a leaking roof. Important documents lie exposed. And floodwater creeps across the floor. Upstairs, the courthouse, still scarred from Hurricane Melissa, remains vulnerable.
I can't believe a situation like this can arise in a standing police station. This is the only police station serving my community in this side, Bernard, straight to Kenny, coming up here. This is the only police station this side. And it's the condition up there. I didn't even want to walk in. It's scandalous.
According to residents, almost 6 months after Hurricane Melissa, repairs are yet to be done to the facility. For residents, whether it's flooded homes, a missing bridge, or a failing police station, they say help has been too slow or simply absent.
We need something done as soon as possible. Richmond don't deserve this.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.